Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making soft and fluffy bomboloni, Italian style filled donut with a golden outside and a delicious chocolate center. They are light, sweet and perfect for a special breakfast or dessert. Let's make them together. Let's begin by preparing the yeast mixture. Pour 165 ml warm milk into a bowl. Add 3 tablespoons sugar. Add 1½ teaspoon yeast. Mix well. Let it rest for 5 minutes. Once the yeast is activated, add 1½ cup flour. Sprinkle ½ teaspoon salt. Mix everything together until a soft dough starts to form. The name Bomboloni is often associated with the round puffy shape. Now knead the dough well. Add 2 tablespoons butter and continue kneading for 5 to 7 minutes. Knead the dough well after adding the butter for a soft and elastic texture. The dough should become soft, smooth and slightly elastic. Rub a little oil over the dough. Cover it and keep it aside for 40 minutes to rise. Divide it into 8 equal portions. Take one portion at a time and shape it into a smooth ball. Place each piece on a small sheet of baking paper. Press the bottom very lightly so the dough balls sit evenly. Cover them and let them rest again for 10 minutes. Now heat the oil over low heat. Carefully place the dough balls into the oil along with the baking paper. After placing them in the oil, gently remove the baking paper. Fry over low heat so the outside doesn't brown too quickly before the inside cooks. Let the bomboloni fry slowly. Turn them gently and cook until they become beautifully golden brown on all sides. Remove them from the oil and place them on kitchen paper. While they are still warm, dust them with powdered sugar. Now make a small hole on the side of each bomboloni. Fill the center with your favorite chocolate filling. They can be filled with chocolate, pastry cream, jam, or other sweet filling. Freshly made bomboloni are especially delicious when served warm with powdered sugar. Your homemade bomboloni are ready. Soft, fluffy, golden, and filled with rich chocolate. These Italian-style donuts are such a delicious treat. Serve them fresh, dusted with powdered sugar, and enjoy them with your family and friends. Share this recipe with someone who loves soft and fluffy dessert. Follow In Oven Cake and Cookies for more easy baking recipes and delicious homemade dessert.